Today I'm going to be walking you through how to make use of the Kenwood blender. This blender is actually very amazing. If you already have it, but you want to have clear understanding of how this blender works, you guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how it works. Alright, so welcome to my YouTube channel. In case it's your first time I've come across this beautiful face, my name is adomgborprecious, so consider subscribing, giving this video a big thumbs up, and please share. Alright, I do not want this to be your last time here. I want to see you over and over again. So with that being said, you guys, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to plug this to the socket. This is the jar of the blender, so I'm just going to place it. So now I'm going to turn on the switch. For this experiment, I'm going to be blending these beans because I want to prepare moi. So I'm going to be blending these beans. What I have here is onions, I have pepper, I have this shombo, and I have crayfish as well, and then the beans, which is the major thing we're going to be using. You guys, my hand is actually clean. It all depends on what you're blending. Just add water according to the consistency of that stuff you want to get or you want to achieve. Alright, this over here is what you're going to use to press this, but most times I don't like to use this. I'm just going to cover this. If you want to blend your item but you want it to be rough blending, you don't want it to be absolutely smooth, like 100% smooth, that's when you're going to be making use of this first one here. All right, now this second one here, you guys, is the one that controls how fast the blender blends. All right, then this one, if you want to achieve 100% smoothness, that's when you're going to be making use of this one, you guys. So let's get started. So I'm going to turn on this, and you guys are going to notice that it will not be able to move. All right, see, when you turn on this and this circular one is here, it won't be able to move what you want to blend, except if you increase it, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So have you guys noticed what just happened, right? So if you turn this on and you're not controlling it with this switch, it won't be able to blend. So with this particular knob, if you want to achieve a rough blend, that's when you use this one. This is going to give me a very smooth blend within a twinkle of an eye. Another thing I would like to point out for you guys to take note of is this particular button. When you turn it down, you have to hold on to it. All right, it does not stay like this one. This one, once you press it down, it stays down. But this second one, which is the smooth blender, you have to use your hand to manually hold it. All right, so it's very easy for me to blend, and I'm going to show you guys the consistency and how smooth it blended it. So I'm going to use this spoon, you guys, and I'm going to bring this closer. I don't know if you guys can see this, but you guys, this is very smooth, very smooth, exactly how I want it. So I'm just going to turn it into the other rubber. So this is what I achieved, you guys. I hope that from what you watch in this video, you are able to operate your own Kenwood blender, or if you're still contemplating whether or not you want to buy your own, I hope when you buy yours, you should be able to operate it. It is very easy, and exactly what I showed on this video is all you need to do. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video up to this moment. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in another video. Bye.